The Crispin team of Keller Williams Realty Branson, Missouri would like to present to you this property. For more information call 417-335-3109. You will love this pristine Thousand Hills Golf Course condo. This home boasts 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms including a primary suite with walkout access to the back deck. The beautiful spacious kitchen has stainless steel appliances, updated cabinets and backsplash. There is also a full-size laundry off the kitchen. You will enjoy the open feel and easy maintenance from the tile floors that carry from kitchen through the living. When sellers remodeled, it included all new high-quality furniture, new paint, new textured ceiling, new HVAC, new hot water heater, new cabinets, new countertops, and a new large cultured marble shower. This condo sleeps up to 6 people. With the sofa sleeper, relax on the deck and watch the golfers or walk across the street and take a dip in the pool. All of this within walking distance of the famous 76 Music Boulevard. Owner's nightly rental site so you can see how much he books it. http://www.bransonmocondos.com/thegreens32.html. Seller willing to keep this condo on his site and refer guests to new owners at no cost. Many repeat guests. Call today for your private showing.